Okay, so now we're going to look at the structure of the DNA. So this part here is the phosphate group, which its function it is to connect nucleotides and help them form helical shape. As I said before, that nucleotides, it's this portion here. So I'm just gonna, this is a nucleotide. So this DNA is formed of a chain of nucleotides. So the second part is the nitrogenous base, so which is Ni, nitrogenous base, which its function is to store genetic information. And then the next part is the deoxyribose sugar, which its function it is to help form phosphate backbone of the DNA molecule. And the last part of the structure is the weak hydrogen bonds, which their function it is to provide great stability to the structure. So another thing that you need to know is this is just the basic structure of a DNA, right? But in real life, a DNA is a double helix form. It's in double helix form like this, where your nitrogenous bases would connect like that. So let me use a different color. It would connect like that, something like that, just like that. So it is a double helix structure. We are to look at the types of nitrogenous bases. So the first one is your adenine, and then your second one is your thymine, your third one is your cytosine, and the fourth one is guanine. So the shape for an adenine looks more like this. And the shape for a thymine looks more like that. Then a shape for a cytosine looks like that. Then a shape for a guanine looks like that. So one thing we need to note about these nitrogenous bases is that they are complementary. They complement each other. So this means that an adenine can only pair or link with a thymine, and a cytosine can only pair or link with a guanine. So this pairing of these nitrogenous bases will form a ladder-like structure of DNA. The main functions of DNA is replication, which is the transfer of genetic information from one cell to its daughter's cell. And we have mutation, changes that happen in DNA sequences. We also have gene expression. And the fourth one is transcription. The fifth one is translation. Now, you may also want to know the types of DNA, which the first one is aDNA, second one is bDNA, and the third one is zDNA. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.